one. Mechanical Thunder immediately picking up a ton of cubes. Entering here, grabbing some cubes as well. Mechanical Thunder quickly dropping them in. Entering here, pushing all the reds off those posts. Mechanical Thunder gets 3 greens into that goal successfully. But it looks like Entering here is getting ready to score some greens into this other goal. They get one in, 35 seconds, you can now switch drivers. All reds have been knocked off of their posts. Entering here gets another green into the goal. 25 seconds, you must have switched. Entering here looking to get 2 more into that goal. And Mechanical Thunder gets 3 purples into that goal. As we move to the last 10 seconds of the match, we can see if any teams try to pull off a card. We have Mechanical Thunder moving to the solo with 5 seconds left. They managed to get it, and solo's Entering here. All right, for our next match, qualification 36, we have